Hi, hello everyone. A very good afternoon to all. My name is Kemonisha, studying BSc MBCS third year in TDWRDC, Women Hasifabad. Today's topic line integrals. Now we are going to line integral introduction. What is line integrals? In this section, we define an integral that is similar to single integral except that instead of integrating over an curve an interval a comma b, we integrate over an curve c. In that figure, in curve c, line integral of functions f of x comma y. Such integrals are called line integrals. However, line integrals would be better terminology. In f is defined on smooth curve. In that figure, c is given by the line integral of f along c is line integral of f of x comma y ds equal to limit n tend to infinity sigma I equal to 1 f of xi comma yi in delta si. This is limit exist. In line integral of a vector field f on curve c is given by line integral of f dot dr. Next, a line integral is integral to be evaluated along curve c. In that line integral, other form of line integrals. There are two other form of line integrals. Then line integral of phi dot dr and line integral of f dot dr, where phi is scalar field and f is vector field. Then two types of line integrals. First one scalar line integrals and second one vector line integrals. Scalar line integrals are integral of scalar function over a curve in space. These are the scalar line integrals. And next, vector line integrals. Vector line integrals are integral of vector function of curve in space. These are the vector line integrals. These are the vector line integrals in other form of line integrals. Now we have one problem. I explain it. Evaluate the line integral f dot dr where f is vector field y comma x comma 0 and c is the curve. Then y equal to sin x and z equal to 0. Between x equal to 0 and x equal to pi. Give in solution given vector f equal to y comma x comma 0 in that vector field equal to yi plus xj plus ok. and the given curve y equal to sin x and z equal to 0 and x equal to 0 and x equal to pi. Then we have taken some value, let x equal to t. Then x equal to t, we are substituting this equation y equal to sin x, then y equal to sin t and z equal to 0. The parametric form of the given curve in question, curve C x equal to t and y equal to sin t and z equal to 0 in these parameter. Then if x equal to 0, then it is t equal to 0. If x equal to pi, then it is t equal to pi. Therefore t changes from 0 to pi. Then position vector, let r equal to xi plus yj plus zk be the position vector at any point on the closed curve. R equal to ti plus sin tj plus ok. Derivation, dr by dt equal to I t cos tj plus ok. With respect to t, dr equal to I cos tj plus ok into dt in multiply dt. dr equal to I dt plus cos dtj plus o dtk. Then f equal to sin t ij plus tj plus ok. Then we have find out cross product. F dot dr equal to ijk sin t 0 tt dt cos d dt 0. We have find out cross product. Then I of t minus 0 minus I of 0 minus 0 plus I of sin t cos t dt minus t dt. Then f dot dr equal to oi plus t minus 0, then 0, so 0 I. Then I of 0 minus 0, so 0 j. Next k into sin t cos t minus dt into dt. Then integral of f dot dr. In that question we have find out integral, line integral. So line integral of f dot dr equal to line integral t equal to 0 and pi sin t cos t minus t into dt k. We have find out line integral of f dot dr. So then k into, we have substituting this value, k into sin square t by 2 minus t square by 2 t equal to 0 and pi. We have substituting these values, t equal to 0 and pi, k into sin square by 2 minus sin square by pi by 2 minus pi square by 2 in minus sin square we are substituting 0 value. Sin square 0 by 2 minus 0 square by 2, k into 0 minus pi square by 2, 0 minus 0, then equal to minus pi square by 2 k. Therefore line integral of f dot dr equal to minus pi square by 2 k. In that question we have find out line integral. Other form of line integrals, there are two line integrals, then we have find out total and find out line integral of f dot dr. Then its answer is minus pi square by 2 k. This is one other form of line integrals. This is one example problem. I explain it. This is one other form of line integrals. Next, we are going to surface integrals. First of all, we are going to surface integral introduction. What is surface integral? What is surface integral? Surface integral is nothing but is definite integral taken over a surface. It is nothing but surface. It can be thought of as the double integral, analog of the line integral. Given a surface, in one integrate over its scalar fields and vector fields. Surface integrals have applications in physics, particularly with the classical theory of electromagnetism. The definition of surface integrals and splitting the surface into small surface elements. Surface integrals is nothing but two-dimensional space. Surface integrals can be integrated integral if the surface to two-dimensional space. Surface integrals is the two-dimensional space into a higher dimensional surface. Then we have taken surface integral. The surface integral is often called the flux integral. Then it is called flux integral. This is one surface integral. Then r equal to r of u comma v. It is nothing but surface integral. A surface integral is called another fluxed integral. Then surface integral we have calculate surface integral of g over the surface. It is nothing but surface. We have calculated area of surfaces. Yes, if the surface is defined parametrically, we have surface integral of g of u comma v. G of u comma v. G of nothing but function. Next example, calculate the surface integral of f of x comma y equal to xy over the cone of radius. This is one example of line surface integral. Line integrals, it is one. What is the use of line integrals? This is the use of physics and electromagnetics and line integral allow for the calculation of areas of surfaces and three dimensionals. Line integrals have variety of applications. For example, line integrals of in electromagnetics and then can be used to calculate the work done on charged particle traveling along some curve and force field represented by vector field. These are the line integrals. What is the applications of line integrals? Mass of wire and center of mass and moments of inertia of wire. This is one applications of line integrals. Any integral which to be evaluated and curve is called line integral. Line integral of vector field and curve C is given by line integral of f dot dr. In that surface integrals and volume integrals. These are the line integrals. Surface integrals is completed. Next, we are going to volume integrals. Volume integrals. What is a volume integral? Volume integral is the integral of scalar function defined in three-dimensional space multiplied with a volume element and integrated over the defined volume in that f equal to f of x comma y comma z. In that x equal to nothing but f equal to f of x comma y comma z. These are the three-dimensional elements x comma y comma z. F is function. In that figure, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis in closed region volume B dv equal to dx dy dz. These are the three-dimensional elements x, y, z. In that figure, V is closed region. It is volume integrals and F is scalar field. It is closed region. This is one volume integral. Example, rho equal to m by v, then m equal to rho v. M equal to volume integral rho of x comma y comma z dv. It is where v is volume and rho is function. It is one volume integral. Any integral which is to be evaluated over a volume is called volume integral. If V is volume and S is surface, then it is called other form triple integrals. Another call. then it is called triple integrals. There are volume integrals, volume integral pi dot dv and volume integrals f dot dv. These are the volume integrals, where volume integral of pi dot dv and volume integral f dot dv. Phi is scalar and f is vector. Phi is nothing but scalar field and f is vector field. These are the volume integrals. These are the volume integrals. We have three-dimensional space in elements. Nothing but three-dimensional elements. Three-dimensional space multiplied with volume. In that figure, three-dimensional elements where x comma y comma z. These multiplied with volume element. Volume element is V. These are the multiplied with volume element and integrated over the defined volume. Integrated over the defined volume. This is one volume integral. Nothing but example, rho equal to m by v. Then m equal to rho v. After then m equal to volume integral rho of x comma y comma z into dv. In that three-dimensional elements multiplied with volume. In that equation, m equal to volume integral of rho into rho of x comma y comma z into dv. These are the three-dimensional elements multiplied with volume element into dv. Yes or not? Three-dimensional elements multiplied with volume. M equal to volume integral of rho of x comma y comma z into dv. dv is nothing but volume element. V is volume element and integrated over the defined volume. V is volume. Then any integral which is to be evaluated curve, evaluated over a volume, then it is called volume integrals. And surface integrals, it is nothing but any integral which is to be evaluated over a surface, then it is called surface integrals. In that volume integrals, any integral which is to be evaluated over a volume is called volume integral. If V is volume and surface integral, nothing but surface is S. S is nothing but surface. Then it is called triple integrals. There are two types. Nothing but there are two volume integrals. Volume integral of pi dot dv and volume integral of f dot dv. Volume integrals have scalar field and vector field. In volume integral, V is closed region. Yes or not? V is closed region and F is scalar field. In that form, volume integral of phi dot dv, where phi is scalar field, F is vector field. In region V, V is volume integral. Volume integral f of V is volume integral of f dot dv equal to volume integral of f d x d y d z. X comma y comma z, these are the three-dimensional elements with multiplied volume. It is nothing but V. So then volume integral of f dot dv equal to volume integral f dx dy z, volume integral of f d x d y d z. It is volume integral. These are the volume integral. So final conclusion, these are the line integrals. Thank you everyone. I would like to thank you everyone for giving this wonderful opportunity. Talk to you about line integrals and explain it. And thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. Line integrals explain it. Thank you so much. Thank you one and all. These are the line integrals and surface integrals, volume integrals. These are the line integrals parts. I would like to thank you everyone for giving this wonderful opportunity. Line integrals explain it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.